8 o'clock and we are going to Bakhali. Well, we don't know whether we'll reach Bakhali or not, but we are sure that we are going somewhere this time. Maybe it won't be Bakhali or the regular beaches, but I hope it will again have some twist in it. Probably we'll try to go to Sundarbans or maybe a cruise, boat cruise or something like that. But yes, we are ready. Here we are ready for the new adventure. See you soon. We'll tell you the story. Stay waiting here. It's almost 9:45. Waiting for the cab. It's coming. It's on the way. We have booked by Savari.com and it's still on the way. And Salahuddin is the driver and they have given us, they've provided us with Swift Desire. It's a nice vehicle, a nice car. They're taking it up easy also. So we are hoping that we'll be here within 5 or 10 minutes. We had our breakfast and we are all ready to leave. That's bad. So here we are, the cab is here and we are in the cab. Yay! We are on the move now. Finally, हम लोग आवारा से निकल रहे हैं.
Hi guys, we are in our car and we're still moving. We are at Karamjali right now. Make sure it's Karanjali, not Karamjali. And right now we are about 60 kilometers away from Bakhali. And the weather is awesome. It's getting cloudy over here. The roads are good, neat and clean.
It's raining heavily and we are on our way to Bakhali. It'll take more 1.5 or 2 hours to reach there. And it's a beautiful weather. It was cloudy since morning and finally it's raining. And we're enjoying the weather. As always, it's a beautiful small village here. You can see small houses, all the shops are closed. Now we are in Namakhana. Let me tell you, this entire stay was a very beautiful places, beautiful beaches, a good scenario. But this is the worst part in our entire journey. We have been waiting here since more than an hour. There's a long line we are waiting for the ferry to move. And there are private and public agencies which are actually running the ferry and they're not allowing the local people or the tourists to move around. Only the vegetable trucks or the other trucks which run regularly, only they're allowed to move. So you can see the entire line. All the tourists are waiting and this is really bad and pathetic and not good for the tourism for this state. Finally, for the best situation, हम लोगों को कैब छोड़ना पड़ा. Now we are walking down and we cross the ferry without the vehicle.
It's really bad, man.
Really bad.
This is the main entry point of so much characters painting for it.
Yeah, we have been waiting over from 12 p.m. right now. And still now 4:15 and there's still our car with 10 cars behind. So this very pathetic situation. We have this child, they're just crying over inside car.
So guys, basically you can see that people are waiting here, the ferry point, and this is the ferry point. The vehicles are standing and private vehicles are also there. All empty. The main entrance. There's no system basically. The movement is very slow and mismanaged totally. This is the reason why we have to leave our car or cab behind and we decided to go.
half an hour. Ultimately, we got down from that ferry and we took a boat. When we took a boat, he just charged us 40 rupees for 4 of us, and the 4 of us rode on that boat and came on the other side. Hardly took a minute, and it's really, I mean, it's funny to say that we waited more than half an hour and we crossed in just a minute. And they charged us 40 rupees for the entire night, and the regular price is 2 rupees per head here. That's really funny, but that's interesting. And the entry fees to the boat ride is just 1 rupees per head. So, does this ride even exist in the world? No, this is the place where it exists. 1 rupees per head. There it is. So finally we are at Makhali and we are very close to the shore. It's hardly 100 meters from here, and it's evening, it's beautiful. There's little cloud, there's no rain, but it's amazing evening. The sky is almost dark, but we can still see the blue sky. Lights are on of all the shops. We are looking out for some stall where we can have some delicious fishes here, and we can definitely say after this entire whole day of hectic journey, this evening is worth it. We're standing at the Makhali beach and we're really hungry. We were looking out for some fish stalls and we are here. There's a long line of fish stalls and a variety of fishes. You can have anything, whichever you like, of any size, of any price. And let me tell you, these are really fresh fishes, and I'm very much sure that it would taste definitely very delicious. Just go through the fishes. So we have got our fishes, pomfret, prawns, and what's the other one? Stingray. And it looks really delicious. These are fried ones. They have given us with the onions, fresh onions, and there's the mustard chutney also. I'm sure these will be really delicious, and it's so mouth-watering. Can we just eat it? I'll see you soon. I need to have these fishes. I'm really dying for it. I'm really hungry.
Hi guys. Hello. Day 2 and we have moved for Henry Island. और आज हम दोनों ने डिसाइड किया है कि हम लोग ब्लॉग करेंगे. The transport is pretty expensive. Yeah, seriously. I think by the time this place will get more famous, the transport cost will get down. But anyways, you'll not get transports very easily. So right now we are in tuk-tuk. You can see small e-rickshaw. Basically today we are going for Henry Island Crocodile Breeding Center and Frasergun Beach maybe. One thing which we miss is pirate tour, pirate party. It's bad for us because it's a total 5 hours journey up and down, and I think that will take an entire day.
The better option is to book the pirate party and boathouse.
Exactly.
That falls economic, and you can have even the beach night parties, bonfire, and bamboo grill, kebabs.
And I would say don't come alone or like a couple. Come here along with your friends. Come in groups because this place is good for group parties and with friends doing fun and masti. You use transports because the moment you'll get your own vehicle here, you will be annoyed because you'll not be able to find the roads properly. Though the roads are
And
okay,
they
fine.
blockade and they charge you taxes at every village you cross.
Though the charges are well less, like 1 rupee, 2 rupees, something like that, but still. Okay, fine.
Hi, this is day 2 and day 2 at Makhali, and we are from almost 7 kilometers away from Makhali. We are close to Henry Islands. This is almost the southern tip of this birds. And there's a watchtower that we had crossed from where we can have the view of the Sundarbans. And right now we'll be moving towards the Henry Island. It has started raining and I hope we'll have a very good day today. Finally, here we are. We just crossed the bamboo bridge, the forest, the swamp, you can see, and now we are just at the coast of the Bay of Bengal. Beautiful, the waves sound as usual, very musical. I was wondering actually of this particular island, and I can definitely say this is an unexplored place. One must definitely visit this area. When you talk about some feeling of a paradise, this is one place. You see there was a crowd here just before 5 of us are here. There's one or two other groups are there. But this place is really beautiful. Yeah. Water levels
Just risen up and
up and this entire place was got lit. People were just walking on this slippery and wetty place, and many of them had slipped and fallen. So we tried to help people out. The planks were kept over there, and we just pulled those planks over here so that people can walk over it and cross this place. So here it is. Here you see. We are not just going around and traveling. We are just trying to help people, even though it depends on people if they understand that or not. as such. We just thought it would be a small beach or so. We'll have some time, like an hour or so. But it seems it has a long stretch.
A
We have-
very long stretch, I would say.
It has been an hour since we are here, or more than that.
And we are still exploring it.
guys haven't come here, it's like there's this receded back, but it's amazing. This place is like there are fishermen there. There's a cascade forest there, and it was fun to play with the crabs. There are
exactly.
not many red crabs.
You will
See
find
those-
lots and lots of red crabs over here.
and you can just chase them, play with them, have
Play
fun.
with them, and you'll be having lots and lots of fun with them. We had lots of fun, and then
We just want to move ahead and see
what
how long,
else
how
we
far
can.
can we go, and what else can we explore. This beach is really isolated, nice, and we don't see any of the tourists here. And
It's totally empty. It's totally empty.
We are just four of us here, out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere.
We really didn't expect
This
this,
to
but
be.
it's really amazing. Whenever we are
So
seeing.
I would say do come to this place.
So if you have a weekend, a day or so, you can come down here. Just to relax. So just keep exploring.
Bye bye. Keep exploring and keep traveling.
Charges like fresh with all fresh snacks. हाँ. Preservatively Chinese. This was not our birthday. Alright, ये हमारी विदाई का टाइम हो गया है and best way to move out is the local bus. Early morning we have two buses running. एक है 6:30 बजे और एक 7:10 बजे जो यहाँ से डायरेक्टली कलकत्ता निकलती है. And yeah, please अगर निकलना है तो प्री बुक इट. सब कोई एडवांस बुकिंग करके रखा रहता है. You are lucky enough to get last minute 4 seats that is सामने में.
This is a good place and altogether. Beautiful beaches, though it's getting crowdy. So get here as soon as possible because you all know that when the beaches get crowdy, you'll not be able to explore and have fun much.
It's day 3, morning we left at 7 from Bakhali, and right now we are at Namakana. The ferries have not been started yet, the bus is still waiting, it's on the line, and we're expecting the ferries to start by next half an hour. It's almost 8:45. Once the ferry starts, a bus is in line, so it'll take another 1 hour or so. So I would say even the Bakhali is a really good place. The only drawback of this entire thing or this entire trip was waiting for the ferry, because had there been a bridge or maybe a regular ferry running, it would have been very easier for you people. It would have been better if we had taken a bus from Namakhana, because the passenger vehicles are flying, but I don't think the ferry vehicle is flying. So it would have been easier for us if we would have taken the bus from Namakhana. Take that into consideration. Another option is train. A train runs from Namakhana station to Sialda station. So once you come from Bakhali to Namakhana, cross the river by a smaller boat, over there you can see, and then from there, from Namakhana, you can take a train directly to Sialda. It will again take 2 hours 45 minutes or so. No waiting, no hustle as such. But even as we have decided to go by bus, so we are just going to use this public transportation and we are using it. We just have time for today, so we have planned to go by bus. Let's see how much time it takes. Let's see what more is there in store for us. And once we reach Kolkata, we have another plan.